Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am here to show you guys my squash. It is September and I have taken quite a few of them out. Unfortunately they got mildew, and you can see right here on these leaves here. And I mean to tell you, this squash has been producing all summer long. I believe this right here may be my last little harvest of them, because like I said, you can see the powdery mildew on them. But other than that, I'm very happy and pleased with my what is this stuff? Squash. As you can see, I have quite a few of them on here that hadn't been pollinated. So I guess it's getting towards that time of year now where it's not as many pollinators out here in Zone 7, Southern Virginia, in September. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest what I have left, and I might end up pulling them up. I hate to see them go. I mean, they have been providing food for me, my family, and friends this whole summer. So I'm definitely going to grow these again. Let me go ahead and show you guys this nice big one here. If I can get it off. There we go. It's a sunny morning out here. But there it is. I mean, huge. I've been getting these all summer. So there's one. We got another one here. And what I do is I just twist it like that. And they twist right on off. So I don't know, I might take them up, not quite sure, because I still see some flowers on them, but you know, they got that powdery mildew, and I'm not sure if I'm going to plant anything else in this bed here, or just let it overwinter and recondition it in the spring. And just twist. Get out the way, leaves. Twist. Pull. Come on. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I think I got a couple more over there. We get those. Alright, so I was over here about to pick these other ones, and check this out. Look at that. Look at all these freaking bugs. Those must be squash bugs, I guess. I don't know what they look like, so. But check them out. Some ugly looking things. Yeah, I think my plants done had about enough this year. You can see the disease on them. But, hey, I'm very pleased. So, all these bugs. I didn't spray my plants. I didn't spray these this year. Well, this is my first year growing them, so. But I didn't spray them. I just let them naturally. I just kept coming out and trimming up the leaves. But next year I'm going to grow them a little different next year. So I still have a couple of little babies on here. They look okay. Oh, nope. It's not. Look at it. Ew. And take that off. Alright, so, but yeah, I believe those are squash bugs up in there. Some kind of bugs. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these on up. I'm going to consider this my last little harvest of my squash for this year. All right, so here's my last little harvest of squash for the year 2023, September. Very pleased. Until next time.